Hi there, Jason here with ArboursAbroad, and welcome to the channel. Today's video is short and sweet and to the point. We are quickly talking about 4 things that we learned in the van floor installation process of our 1992 Toyota Previa minivan. Let's dive in.
Things we learned from this. Number 1, double checking the holes to make sure we didn't fill anything that had a bolt or was needing to be accessed if we had any car problems later down the road.
Yeah.
Number 2.
What is this one?
The wheel wells, doing the wheel wells.
Oh yeah. You want to make sure to do the wheel wells prior to cutting all the linoleum, the wood floor, the polyiso.
Like we explained in the video. We didn't do it that way and we had to remeasure and measure 20,000 times. Too
many more times than necessary.
Number 3, don't use the spray adhesive on the bottom layer. We use spray adhesive when we did this spray foam, the Great Stuff spray foam. That works as the glue. It's a waste of the spray adhesive, and honestly it doesn't stick very well because
it raises, it's expanding foam.
It a bit, yeah.
So it does lift it ever so slightly.
So now it's like crack, crack, crack.
But once everything's on top of it, you don't see or hear it. So it was just a waste. We won't,
hopefully. Number 4, keeping that bit there where the door is accessible. We did Reflectix. So for us, we were going to get rid of the plastic step in the sliding door that came with the van. Then we decided we're not gonna do that and just put Reflectix under it and then spray paint it. So that was another thing. I'm glad that we didn't throw out that piece or sell that piece because we ended up using it in the end.
Mm-hmm. Well, there you have it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you have any other suggestions, please let others and us know what those are. Please give us a thumbs up. It helps the channel out significantly, and go ahead and subscribe if you found this video helpful and if you're looking forward to more videos like this in the future. So we'll talk to you later.